Yo guys, today we're gonna be doing a bike check with my bike and all of these, my bike, you get me? This one. And yeah, let's get straight to the video. Before anything, go down, like, subscribe, and turn on post notification, yeah, because if you don't, piss off. So my bike is a Boogie, but I kind of covered it up. And so I got SEC. I put on the SC handlebar, big honking. I put on the ODI grips. Check that. And I took off my front brake. And then I got this BMX stem here. Yeah. Got an emoji sticker right here. Got wheel strips around here. And got laminated on the suspension. And I put pegs on somehow. Yeah. And I got these red wheel strips again, these ones. And I got these DMR pedals. Yeah, and I got OK sticker. And I cut my seat, of course.
So basically, on my back, over here, I got a Renfrew fat bars. I got a Renfrew stem because they have to be together. It's like 31.8 clamp. I got a Hope headset. Headset bearings are Hope as well. Frame is an orange P7. The forks are Rock Shocks. And the air suspension, they cost like 8 or 9. The brakes, both of them SLX, front and rear. I got a Hope wavy disc rotor on that. Yeah, chrome blue. And the hub, even like little things such as the spokes, they're Hope as well. The rims Hope, top spec. My tires, Strellbele. Strellby or something. It's 2.6 inches wide and it's slime, tubeless. Over here I got a Hope BB. Cost like a bill as well. I got race face cranks which are like 4 bills, 3 bills. Nuke proof pedals, they're bare hench. On my back I got a Hope wavy disc, Hope cassette, Hope rim, Hope spokes. I got a 10-speed Shimano Duo rear driver. My cassette sounds like a fucking bomb. Hear that?
Wait.
Sounds fresh, innit, bro?
This is my bike, it's a Carrera Vengeance 2012. Yeah. I have it's like a VTEC SEC. Yeah. I then have ODI grip, but the ODI is not there. So there's one here. Yeah. I then have red weight stem. Yeah. I have front gears and the SLX Shimano hydraulic. I also have a reflective OK sticker and bike spring stickers. But this bike still is piece of shit. My new bike's coming in.
Carry on.
Yeah, my new bike's coming next week. Block fly.
$340 from both. Tires are 29-inch.
Wait, look at his fork. Look at his fork. Got that Galaxy blue fork. It's not even custom. It just came with the bike. It's nice.
Okay, so this is my Carrera Kraken. Got some Shimano brakes, front and back. Still original on that, just little tweaks and shit like that. Got some Continental tires, 27.5. Back is custom though, Continentals. Got it from custom made and shit. Got a Vengeance seat. Just got it polished and everything like 3 minutes ago. Yeah.
I've got blue wake stem, Tetra disc brake, even road isn't. I've got a beat up Shimano V shifter. I've got 26 wheel in the front because I can't be asked to fix my 27.5. Got Area Trail Evo wheel and Kenda tires. I like the Evo wheels because peng. I've got a 2x8 even if I've got no middle gears because I prefer that one if I go on the smallest car of brake. I've got Welligo pedals, it's beat out, might have to replace them. And the only thing that I like about this part is the seat because like
That's the most comfortable thing.